is Lexa Marie and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this Pink Panther glam, okay? Pink Panther glam, okay? Okay. And the reason I said Pink Panther is because who doesn't like Pink Panther? You know, the way Pink Panther doesn't say anything, but you understand his story. That is the type of vibes I'm trying to give with this makeup look right here. So if you do want to see this Pink Panther inspired look, make sure that you keep watching. But before I get into the tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe, boo. Like, comment, and subscribe. You want to know about this hair, you can watch it later. But what I need you to do right now is like, comment, and subscribe. That's all. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then we can get into it, all right? That's it.
All right, so the very first thing I'm going to do is just put on my primer. As you know, my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. This is probably the most matte primer I've ever used. You will feel it as soon as you put it on your face. And then after that, you guys already know, you see my brows are done. So this is going to be a little easier, but I'm going to do my brows next. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my Anastasia pomade in the color dark brown and just kind of fill in the tail of my brows. Like when I get them done, I do not fill them in as much. But child, when I have my brows looking all bushy and crazy, it's like a whole nother issue. But what I do is just fill the ends and the very front just a little bit because I prefer them to be just a tad bit darker. And then I'm going to go in with my concealer. So the concealer you're going to see me using is from NYX as well. I believe it's in the color Nutmeg. And this year, you know, I just wanted to use a more natural looking concealer for my brows. Like I usually go lighter. You'll see. Look at that. Isn't that like the perfect concealer? That Nutmeg. Look at that. Gorgeous. So this one goes on a lot easier than my NARS concealer. And I definitely would recommend this if you are my complexion, just for your brows, so it still looks somewhat natural, but clean at the same time. Now I'm just going to go in with my NYX primer. This is their white eye primer that I have here, and honestly, it's not that bad. It really does help the makeup stick on my eyes. So what you're just going to see me do is use my finger, my good old finger, and rub it in. I'm like lightly tapping it in just so that it's all in there because I do not want my eyeshadow to fall off. So this is the Pinky Rose Pink Paradise Cosmetics. I believe this is from that place that used to be attached to Forever 21. I think it's something called like Ruby Rose. I forget the name, but I haven't seen the stores recently, but that's the palette I'm using. I'm going in with a transition color for brown. And then I'm not gonna lie, I just kind of threw on colors like that pink color right there and the one next to it. I just kind of threw them on my lid, you know? We're going for pink, all right? And one thing that I did like about this palette so much was that pink is literally the same color as the Pink Panther. So I was like, ooh, yeah, like, ooh, this will be my inspo for this look. So you see here, I'm just trying to like blend as much as I can. Because I know even though it looks crazy now, if I continue to blend it out and make sure I take my time, it's going to come out the way I would like. So you see I'm just kind of like building color on my lids, and you know, I'm building that sparkly pink color. So at the end you'll see how it comes out, but just trust the process. bronzer, and also later on I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more contour, but this is honestly just to save myself from looking like a flat moon face. Like I refuse to walk out the house without having some type of definition in my face and just, you know, having some type of shape. And sometimes when you put too much concealer, or you know, you have just foundation on, it kind of just makes your face look flatter. So I just wanted to put on my bronzer and contour just to add some definition and shape to my face. And with Naeface's cosmetics with the color Prissy Pink as the gloss. So you see, this is a strong pink. This is what you call pink, baby pink. Pink, 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 pink. So I had to go in with my Chestnut just one more time, just to kind of give my lips more definition, because that pink was super strong, like super duper strong. And then after that, when I have everything all in there, I am going to go in with my gloss. But look at that, just matte. Isn't that gorgeous?
Everyone, this is the final look of this makeup look. Again, this is inspired by Pink Panther because but let me know how you guys like this look. I told you I was gonna start doing eyeshadow, all right, and I feel very beautiful. At least I feel very beautiful. But let me know how you guys liked this video. If you do want to see more content like this, let me know in the comment section down below. But again, I'm just going to reiterate this. Make sure that you purchase from Naeface's. This lip gloss was like not too glossy, not too dry. It was perfect. It lasts forever. And again, this is the Prissy Pink. So if you do want to expand your lip glosses and support Black business, shop with Naeface's. All right, shop with Naeface's. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Don't know that